Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the Pokemon Arceus. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share with someone who also likes Pokemon. All of that is super appreciated. Alright, so we are going to start drawing Arceus. We're going to start over here. We're going to start with his head. So I'm going to do a line like that. And then we're gonna curve, curve over this way and have a little point. Then we're coming down and coming over this way. And now we're gonna do a funny little shape like that, kind of like a weird slanted V. And then we're coming out forward a little bit, coming in. We just had another little point there. Right here, we're gonna give him his eye. So we're going to do a shape like that, and then another little shape like that but smaller, and then a little eye. Now underneath that we're going to do a circle, and we are going to do a line, now another line, and another line. Okay, now right up here we're going to do kind of like, it's like a pointy ear kind of shape, like that. We're gonna come on in and connect right there. Okay. Now we're gonna come on forward right here and give him that other pointy ear shape on the other side. And right up here, he's got a little gold yellowy piece. So we're just gonna make that shape there. Now, his head piece here is going to continue on all the way across the page. It's kind of wavy. And we're gonna bring it all the way back here. And we're gonna thicken it up. So follow that wave we made. And we're going to add some more of those lines. And we're following that wavy shape. Okay. Now let's see, let's do the neck. So we're slanting down, and then we're curving and making a weird little point. kind of a spike. And now we're going to come on down this way. And come up. And we have like a little bit of a point right here. And over on the other side of him, he's got a pointy spike, same as right here. And right here we can see a little bit of one as well. So over on this side, we're also going to do a little pointy spike. And we're going to come on down a little bit more. And do his belly here. Alright, so now he needs a leg. And he's got some lines here on his belly as well. So they're coming down. And they're following the shape of the belly, that curve. Folks, if I'm going a bit too fast, feel free to pause the video or just rewind, go back. Okay, give him a little pointy knee. And he's got a pointy foot. He's got lots of points. Lots of points happening here. Like right here on his pointy foot, he's got another pointy moment right here. And we're gonna come on up and give him another little point. And then he's got another one right here, kind of like another one of these, like a sharp spike. And let's do the other foot on this side. So the other leg. So we got that sharp spike, and his leg is coming down. And you can't really see it very much because this one is covering it, but we can see his foot peeking out here. And it's got this same part here on this foot too. Okay, now right here, he's got a little curve here. And, okay, now we're done both front legs. Okay, so now let's move over and do some more of his body. So I'm gonna come on up a little bit, but right here, we've got the start of this yellowy gold contraption on him. So let's come down a little bit. It's like he's wearing this like ring, this weird contraption ring kind of thing. And it comes up, like the middle part of his body there. And it just goes around, like his belly is caught in it. Okay, and we're gonna curve here. And we're gonna come down, kind of slanted this line here. And we did a funny little shape like that. And we're gonna come down this way and do a funny little shape like that. Okay, now right here, just a little bit past this middle pointy part, we are going to come on up this way and connect that. I may have made a boo-boo, but I'm gonna try to work with it. All right, you know what? I did. I made a bit of a boo-boo, but I'm gonna work with it. I'm definitely gonna work with it. Okay. This is the tricky thing about using a pen or ink to do your drawing. You don't have an eraser, but that's okay. Okay, we're gonna draw it down here, and we're gonna curve on over to right here. Yeah, this is the boo-boo I was talking about. I wasn't supposed to do this line here, but you know what? That's okay. If you did that and you have an eraser, then just erase it. But it's not that big of a deal. Oh, and also right there. But it's okay. It's not that big of a deal. We're just having fun here. All right, so we're gonna go up this way. And come up. And come down and connect that. And now he's got a circle right here, or kind of an oval. And over on this side, that funky little thing continues. And we're gonna come on up. And then it curves down here on the other side of his body. And he's got another oval right there, and then there's going to be an oval right here, and then we've got some poking down on this side that we can see. So we did like a V shape right here, and then we're coming down, and we're gonna make almost like another slanty V shape here, and then make a point. And then do that other oval right there. Now, he needs the rest of his body. So, oh, I'm going to connect that. All right, so we're going to give him like a little bum spot right here. And then right here, we're going to draw a little line, and he's got like another pokey point. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little, almost like a little straight line with a little hook. And then a lot of his leg is kind of hidden from us because of this gold thing. But that's okay. All right, so we're going to come on down and give him another pointy back foot, same as the pointy front feet. Okay, so we kind of gave him, it's almost like he's kind of wearing boots, but like the boots are part of him. It's kind of weird, but kind of cool at the same time. And we've got a pointy spot here. And we need a back foot. So we make a line like this to give him his knee. And then right here, he's got a shape like that, kind of like a V. And then we've got that spot that kind of looks like he's wearing boots, but the boots are part of him. And then we'll give him that pointy foot. And with that gold part here, the yellow part. All right, so we're almost done, but he needs his tail. So I'm going to draw a line right here and then kind of squiggle up and then bring it into his body like that. And he's got a bottom part of the tail. And we're going to follow that same line that we made, that same squiggly line. Okay. And you know what? We are now done drawing Arceus, but I'm going to add some color. All right, everyone, so we are done our picture of Arceus. So I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really, really good day. And I hope to see you all back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, everybody, goodbye.